Hello, everyone. This is Juanita, and I'm here to share with you a cool app where you can earn Shopkick points and redeem them for different gift cards or even cash back. So I am on my iPad, or if you're on your iPhone, you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to type in the search Shopkick. Once the app comes up, you're going to download the app. I've already downloaded the app onto my device, and I'm going to simply open it up. It's the second one on the right hand side of this screen. It says Shopkick. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this app. I'm already logged in, but when you first go, it's going to send you through registering for your Shopkicks account. And you can register either using your Google, or you can register using Facebook, or you can create a username and password uh, to get into your Shopkicks. Once you get into your Shopkicks, it's going to ask you uh, what gift card you may be working towards your goal. Okay, so I'm clicking on that Walmart gift card because I already selected the Walmart gift card as my goal. But if I wanted to change the goal, at the very bottom of the screen on the left hand side, it says change goal. So I'm just going to go there to show you the different gift cards that you can earn uh, using your Shopkicks. I had selected the Walmart one. That's why you see the little check mark next to it. But you can also select the Best Buy, the Target, Amazon, PayPal, American Eagle, and there's quite a few gift cards here that you can earn. And depending on the Shopkicks that you earn, you can redeem them for these different gift cards. So there's a lot of different gift cards here that you can earn, okay? So you can just kind of go through them. I'm going to go ahead and go back up here to the Walmart gift card and click on it. And if you look right down on the very bottom part of the screen, and it says Walmart gift card, it has $2, $5, $25, and $50. I would like to earn the $50 one. However, whenever I reach a certain amount of Shopkicks, I can redeem it for any of these gift cards that I would like. So let's just say I wanted to earn the $5 one. Okay? As you can see, the kicks are different. I only need to earn 1,250 kicks, and then I can redeem those kicks for a $5 Walmart gift card. If I want to earn a $25 gift card, then I would click on the 25, and now I need 6,250 kicks. And of course, if you just want a $2 gift card, which you can't buy much with that, but you only need to have 500 kicks. So I'm going to go ahead and put back my $50 one because, I want a gift card that I can actually really use and go in the store and purchase some things. So I need 12,500 kicks to earn or redeem those kicks for a $50 gift card. Okay? So that's how you kind of select your goal that you're working towards. You got to have a goal that you're working towards. Now, if you look up in the top part of this screen in blue, it has my goal of a $50 gift card. And so far, I've earned 455 kicks. And I need 12,045 more to actually redeem those kicks for this particular gift card. So, how do you earn kicks? You earn kicks by scanning items in a particular store. You can also earn kicks by walking into a store, or you can earn kicks by purchasing any of the products they have listed. And after making those purchases, you can actually scan your receipt to earn kicks as well. So let's just take CVS, which is the second one down. You have Stater Brothers first, then you have CVS. You see the little man that's walking right there? That means that if I was to walk into CVS, I would earn 10 shop kicks just by walking into the store. So anytime you see the little man there, icon, that's walking, it'll tell you how many kicks, like with Office Max right here. Okay, you find Office Max, you can earn 50 points just by walking into Office Max. Okay, um, Best Buy, you can earn 25 shop kicks just by walking in. Okay, the next icon next to it is a barcode. The barcode, let's just say for Best Buy, uh, scanning items, and they're going to give you the selected items to scan. Just by scanning items, I can earn up to 1,200 shop kicks by scanning items in Best Buy. If I made a purchase for any particular item that they're going to have listed, and I'm going to be clicking on this in a second to show you, I can earn up to 3,100 shop kicks. And if I made a purchase, they're going to pay me dollar for dollar. So let's go ahead and click on Best Buy so we can see what this looks like. So basically, they're telling me that there's 4 ways that I can earn kicks at Best Buy: walking in, scanning, receipts, and purchases. So just by walking into Best Buy, like I told you before, I can earn 25 points. Now, not every store that you walk into, you are going to earn points. But if it does have the little man walking, that means I can earn those points. Um, so let's scroll down here and see some of the items that we can scan while we're in Best Buy uh, to earn some shop kicks. So it has here that any Ring security product, I can pick that up, scan the barcode, and I'm going to earn 75 shop kicks. If I scan any Apple products such as a MacBook, AirPods, iPhones, and so forth, I can scan and earn up to 60 points. Okay, so that's how you earn points by scanning items. Excuse me. If I was to purchase, if you go down to the next one, the bundles, if I was to purchase the C by GE switch and plug bundle, I would scan a receipt, because you see the little receipt icon next to that, and I can earn 3,100 shop kicks just by making a purchase of this item. And then when we go down to the light bulbs and batteries, if you notice, there was no scan on that C by GE switch and plug bundle, but there are barcodes next to these light bulbs and batteries, of course. Okay, so if I was to scan any of those C by GE products that's available for scan, then I can get 45 points each. And going down to the computers and tablets, I see barcodes again. So anytime you see a barcode, you want to go to that item in the store, you want to scan it so that you can earn those points. Okay, so you don't literally have to make a purchase to earn shop kicks, but you do have to scan items, or they also give you the option if you walk in. And like I say, not all stores you can walk in and earn points, because if you look here at Lowe's, you can only scan or buy to earn points. Okay, so let's go up here to Walmart, which is one of my favorite stores, and I want to click on the Walmart, and it's letting me know I can earn 25 walk-in, 1,240 for scanning items, and I can earn up to 31,975 shop kicks by making purchases. Let's see what items. Okay, you can click on these individually. Okay, so if I am walking into Walmart, it gives me the steps that I must enable my locations on my device, and I must look for the walk-in icon at stores in Kicks nearby, and I must open my Shopkick app to be able to earn these points. Okay, so I'm not near Walmart, so nothing popped up for me to get those points, and they give those points to you automatically as soon as you walk in the door. But however, I am able to scan all of these items to earn shop kicks. So I can just go around the store, and some people call it window shopping. I call it treasure hunting, and I shop for all these different treasures that I can earn points. so I can work my way towards my Walmart gift card. So the very first one here is the Axe $15 gift pack. Uh, I see here if I scan that, I can earn 35 points. If I actually purchased it, then I can use my receipt, scan my receipt, and I can get an additional 900 shop kicks for that. Okay? And you can just go through different items here that they have in different sections of the store. That happen to be the beauty and personal care section. Then I can go over to the household essentials, and then there's some items here I can scan over there. Baby products, coffee, tea, and beverages, healthcare products I can scan, canned and packaged food, and I can even scan over in electronics, the Straight Talk phone, head over to food and beverage, and scan some of those items. So I'm just kind of all over the store. Even some pet items I can go scan over in the meat, poultry, and seafood aisle. Even magazines that's right at the end cap of most of the checkout counters. So I'm looking to do a bunch of scanning, not a bunch of buying. But just in case I needed any of these products, it's good to know that I can also earn shop kicks by scanning my receipt. So that's how you earn your points. Okay? Walking in, scanning, or making a purchase. And then some of them have you to link your card, or others will have you to would best buy this 1-for-1. Let's see what that is. Okay, I'm going to earn 1 kick per $1 spent. So if I purchased an item that was $500, they're going to match that in kicks. And they're going to give me $500 worth of kick points. Okay, so as you can see, it's really easy to rack up these shop kick points. So don't worry about if you selected a card that requires 12,500 points like mine did, because if I'm just out and I see one of these stores and they're conveniently located to maybe another store that I'm going in, I'm going to take that extra time to just go into that store and do my shop kicking. I usually do that on Saturdays to earn my points, but I just started this one on this device, so I haven't earned that many points, but I plan on this coming Saturday. Saturday's going to be my day that I select to go out to these places, but even if I go out to some of them during the week, I'm going to make sure I open up my shop kicks, and I'm going to earn my shop kick points so that I can earn my selected gift card as soon as possible. Okay, so you can do this for the whole year. It's fun to do. Even if you're in the store and you have kids, let them do the scanning for you. Hand them your cell phone or your iPad or whatever device that you have Shopkicks downloaded on, and let them scan some of the items, and that'll keep them busy as well. So this is just another way to earn free gift cards just by scanning items. Save yourself some money. You can also get some cash back on some of these things, and you can also invite other people to Shopkicks to earn money. And I'm going to go over there and we're going to do that. Down at the very bottom, we're on the Earn tab. Go over to the very last tab at the very bottom of this page on the right side, and it says Invite. And this is how you invite people. You can either share your code so that when they download the Shopkick app, they can enter that code. And what can happen, if you read up here at the top, by inviting friends, you can earn up to 250 Shopkicks. Okay. You can also share this through a text, through email, or through Facebook. Okay. If you want to share this through Facebook, you simply click on the Facebook icon. It takes you over there. You log into your Facebook and you share that on your wall. If you're going to do this by email, you simply click on the email and you can email it to whomever you like. You just put their name in the to and you send it off in an email. And if they click on it and they download the Shopkick app, then you will earn points as well. Or you can do this right through text, okay? And send a message by typing in the person's phone number, so you can go through your whole contact list if you like. So this is how you earn Shopkick points. There's many ways to earn them. I hope that you guys use this app and take advantage of all of these different rewards. Um, and until next time, when I find another app that I think is really cool and that I want to share with you, I'll see you then. Thanks for joining me on this video.